Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. This is Rudy. Hey, I wanted to quickly make a video this morning before I left the house regarding following orders, because that's exactly what people are going to say that Terry Lakin was put in jail for not following orders rather than questioning his birth certificate. But you need to understand that Terry Lakin took an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States from all enemies, foreign and domestic, and that includes Article 2, Section 1, which says that our president must be a natural-born citizen. And Terry Lakin received orders to deploy to the Middle East. And when those orders came in, Terry Lakin had to go to the Pentagon, and Terry Lakin had to show his full long-form birth certificate. So all Terry Lakin was doing, and he went through the proper channels for over a year. For over a year, he filled out the proper forms. When you're in the military and you have a problem, with the chain of command, or when you have a problem with anything within the internal workings of the military, you can fill out a proper form. I forget the name of it right now, it escapes me, but he did fill out that form for over a year, and he respectfully requested the long form birth certificate to be released so that he could know that his commander-in-chief, Obama, was constitutionally legally eligible to be president of the United States. Now, Lieutenant Colonel Terry Lakin has a child born in Hawaii, so he knows what a long-form birth certificate looks like. So he's also married to he's in an interracial marriage, so they can't call him a racist. So they didn't know what to do with him, so they stripped him of all his defense. They didn't let him present any evidence whatsoever, and they just threw him in prison for 6 months. And I remember one of the ladies in the jury saying, well, when did you first hear about Terry Lakin? I heard about it on Fox News, and the prosecutor asked her, well, what did you think about that? And she said, well, I follow orders. See, that's the problem, is that we have people following orders, but they don't question the legitimacy of those orders. So I would please ask everyone to please consider the plight of Lieutenant Colonel Terry Lakin. It's at terrylakin.com. And when I've heard friends and family members say, well, this is your issue, Rudy, there's other issues that are more important. No, I would ask you to reconsider that. It's not my issue. We've got a man in prison. It's all of our issues. Don't think of this as Rudy's issue. This is America's issue. This is the world's issue. We have a foreigner in charge of America's military, in charge of the most greatest nation ever put on the history of mankind, and we need to do something about it, and we need to push Obama on this issue. Not only release the long-form birth certificate, but we need the trials to go forward about natural born and have a definition of natural born citizen and have that defined in a court of law, because the definition of natural born citizen is that both parents must be American citizens, and Obama's father was not an American citizen, and therefore he has dual allegiances, and we don't need an American president to have dual allegiances. There is a difference between a citizen and the requirements to be a citizen and the requirements to be president of the United States. The requirements to be president of the United States is natural born citizen. Anyway, I've rambled on long enough. I needed to get this out before I left the house. God bless every one of you. Don't let people tell you that Terry Lakin went to jail for not following orders. He went to jail because he took an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States, and that includes Article 2, Section 1. God bless every one of you.